Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn HTML easily. First, let's understand that HTML is the foundational language for building web pages, providing structure to all content. Begin by familiarizing yourself with essential tags such as H1 for headings and P for paragraphs. Consistent daily practice, even for just 30 minutes, significantly accelerates your learning progress. Focus on hands-on coding to solidify your understanding of each concept. Next, dive into key HTML concepts that are crucial for effective web development. Attributes are vital for modifying how tags behave, like setting an image source. You'll want to explore creating lists, adding hyperlinks, and embedding images into your pages. Grasping the fundamental document structure, including the HTML, head, and body tags, provides a solid framework for all your projects. Now let's talk about practical application and the tools that will help you. A lightweight text editor, such as VS Code, is perfect for writing and organizing your HTML code. Start building small, focused projects to immediately apply the new tags and concepts you learn. Don't be afraid to debug your code. It's a natural part of the learning process and helps you understand common errors. Finally, here are some advanced tips and resources to further your HTML journey. Once comfortable with HTML, begin exploring CSS for styling your web pages and JavaScript for adding dynamic interactivity. Leverage the wealth of online tutorials and official documentation available. Joining coding communities can provide invaluable support, answer your questions, and offer new perspectives on web development.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.